2023 Corvette Z06 debuts an all-new 5.5 liters dual-overhead-cam V8 engine that marks a return to natural aspiration for the track-capable performance model. Highlights include all-new aluminum cylinder block casting with the small block engine family's signature 4.4-inch bore spacing. All-new dual-overhead camshaft cylinder head design with fully CNC-machined combustion chambers and intake ports, supporting a mechanical finger follower valvetrain. Dual-coil valve springs to support titanium intake and sodium-filled exhaust valves. Forged aluminum pistons and forged titanium connecting rods for low mass and high strength. Distinctive edge red camshaft covers. All new active split intake manifold with twin 87mm throttle bodies. All new 6-stage dry-sump oiling system with individual crankbase scavenging. 4x2x1 stainless steel exhaust headers. 670 horsepower at 8,400 RPM. 460 pounds-foot of torque at 6,300 RPM.